Welcome to Ambala Railway Station, a bustling hub of activity connecting people from all corners of India. But have you ever thought about how accessible this station is for people with disabilities? Anuprayaas, in association with Standard Chartered Bank and enableindia, has made this more accessible than ever before. Braille maps, booklets, and signage have been installed, along with water booth signs, platform indicators, and portable ramps to make traveling easier for people with disabilities. These changes are making a real difference in the lives of people with disabilities, enabling them to travel independently and with confidence. These changes have made a huge difference in the lives of many people, but there is still more work to be done. That's where we need your help. We invite you to be a part of our mission. Whether you are an individual, organization, or business, there are many ways to get involved. You can collaborate with us on future projects, donate to our cause, or simply subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our progress. We invite you to be a part of our mission to make public spaces more accessible. If you know of a public space that needs to be made more accessible, or if you want to collaborate with us on our next project, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Together, we can make a difference.